up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. Right now we are headed to, I believe, Abingdon or Edgewood, whatever you want to call it, in the same area. We're headed to Bwoody Performance. I ended up having to order a new intake cone because the one I got is super dirty. There's two things you can do. You could take it off, you can clean it, or you could just order a new cone. I didn't want to order the cleaning kit, sit there, do all that cleaning. So I said, forget it. I'm just gonna order a new cone. So I went online to their website, they offer it. Ordered a new cone, and I decided to do the, pick up at the store. So luckily, they're here in Maryland. So I'm going to the store right now to pick up the intake cone. It's a nice little drive. I did not want to drive this far, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Save me a couple bucks on shipping. So, and it was talking about delays on shipping. So that's why I was like, well, shoot, if it's gonna be 2 weeks, whatever, until I get this intake cone, I might as well just drive and pull up to where it is. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm stuck in traffic. Traffic is horrible right now. I'm only about 6 minutes away from the place, 3 miles, and this traffic is just horrible right now. There's construction out here. They're building a new overpass right here, so a lot of things going on. But guys, check your intakes. What happened to me was, after I got the exhaust installed, a few times I would be, playing around with the car, downshifting, high revving, whatever. My car would go into limp mode. So I looked up the code. It said like air inlet sensor or something. So I did a little research. And I was like, it may be, the sensor that's right there on the inside of my intake. So looking at that, I kind of like peeked under the plate, just to look at my intake, the cone that's on it. It's extremely black, it's dirty. So I guess when it's hot air or something, like the car's not breathing right when I'm playing around, at these higher RPMs. So it's not getting in enough air, or the sensor could have been dirty, whatever, but the intake cone is dirty. So like I said, I could either clean it or get a new one. So I got a new one. So I'm gonna let you guys see, when I pull up here and get it, I'm gonna let you guys see how the clean one looks. And then when I get back, I'm gonna take off the cover, remove the old cone, so you guys can see how dirty that one is. So stay tuned for that, guys. But like I said, make sure that you're checking your intakes. Make sure you're checking your throttle bodies. Make sure you're checking anything that has to do with the airflow of your vehicle. It's very, very important. Same thing with the scat, but I think that's more lines of something is wrong with my, what is it called? My baffles. I think something happened to now, I don't know, one of my baffles are malfunctioning or both or whatever. So I'm gonna have to take that to an exhaust shop. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have to take that to an exhaust shop and see if they can check on that for me. Because I don't need any issues with the scat. Like right now, I can't remote start it because the system's gonna tell it there's something wrong with the baffles. So I give you guys the good, the bad, the ugly with these two cars. I'm not trying to hide anything. I just want you guys to understand that when you modify cars, things happen. So just be aware that these things can happen. So hold on. Like I said, I need to get that checked out with the baffles, because I do have the MFers on there that locks your baffles open. So when any mode, your baffles are always open. So I don't know if it's something with that, something wrong with the sensor, something wrong with the baffle itself, like it could be stuck. I don't know what's going on, but we gonna figure it out, because These cars got too much money invested in them to, you know, be malfunctioning, and I abuse it and then cause a major problem. So we're gonna look into this when I get the chance on the Scat. Right now, like I said, I told you I'm handling the Hellcat. Right now, get ready to get this cone. And it only went into limp mode maybe 2 to 3 times. And it seemed like it was when I had it in paddle mode, Triptronic mode, whatever you want to call it. And I'm like hard downshifts, you know, revving it out and then shifting hard. Like, that's when it went into limp mode. And limp mode, it's like your car is just dragging, like you have 0 power. You know what I mean? I'm on the highway and I'm barely moving. Like, you know what I mean? I'm doing 40, 50 miles an hour, but the pedal is just dead. You got like a dead pedal. Like, I could stomp it all the way to the ground. Nothing. The car is just freaking inching along. Like, nah. So sometimes when I cut it off, cut it back on, it would, you know, correct itself. I had some lights on the dash. You know, I had the engine light and the lightning bolt with the 2 lines on the side. So that lets you know it was something going on. And I think the code is, let me see right now. It's P012B as in Bravo. So if you guys want to look that code up, you can see what I'm talking about. But I believe it says it's the air inlet sensor. So I'm just assuming it has something to do with my intake. So once I put this new cone on it, you know, I'm gonna play around with the car, punch it, you know what I mean, like hit it real hard and downshift, upshift, all that, just to see if it made a difference. I guarantee you, once I put this cone on here though, the car is gonna breathe a lot better. And she's probably gonna be moving out a lot quicker. Hold on, I hate coming to these little industrial areas right here, because you don't know where exactly the shop is. So we about to pull in here. Let's see if we can find this place. I don't even know what suite it was. But yeah, guys, Bwoody Performance, man. You had the same thing if it came with a leg maker and stuff like that. You'll probably either had to buy the kit, clean it yourself, or you know, buy a new cone. Oh, there's some Scats out here. It's 300 out here. Now they got a big boy cat out here. Oh yeah, big boy cat. Sweet 104. 103, 104, Bwoody Performance. I'm gonna jump out and let you guys see these 2 Scats. I think one of them is a Scat. One of them might be a RT. It's a Challenger. And then it's a 300 out here. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we out here. Like I said, we got Raven. Nice little 300. Some kind of RT. No, he's a Scat. And then another Scat. And then right there you see Bwoody Performance. I'm gonna head in here, try to get my cone for my intake, and then we out of here. All right, that was sure enough easy. Walked in, it was sitting right there on the counter for me. So yeah, we're gonna hop back in the car, run back to the crib, and see if we can get this thing installed. If I don't install it today, I'll probably be installing it probably tomorrow or sometime during the weekend. Like I said, the car has been fine for the past couple days. I haven't went in limp mode, but you just gotta be careful with this, you know what I mean? Don't want to keep pushing my engine too hard and it's not breathing correctly. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna pull up to the house and we're gonna get this thing going. This is what the card look like. I'm pretty sure if you've ordered from them, you know what their page look like. It's their address right there. I'll zoom in a little bit just so you guys can see it. It's Bwoody Performance, so www.bwoodyperformance.com. Check them out, see what they got on their website. They got all kinds of stuff, not just intakes. They got suspension and things of that nature. So I definitely will be ordering more parts from these guys as far as my suspension. So stay tuned on that. That'll be on another vlog. But yeah, let's get this ride back.
Hello, Black.
It's a nice little ride. So stay tuned, guys. All right, as you guys can see, it's the intake. Got my tools, 8mm. Take the cover off. As you guys can see, I got the cover off. It's pretty dirty. So I'm about to swap this out, put the new one on. We're gonna see if it make a difference. Hey, you guys can obviously tell the difference. This one is old, this one is new. This one got damaged. It's all jacked up. All right, everything's done. Reinstall, put the cover on. About to fire it up. See if it sounds a little better. Oh yeah, she sounded righteous. So that was a quick install, guys. It's super hot out here. So I'm sweating my butt off just putting on a new filter. But that's what happened when you live on the East Coast, man. It's super humid. But as you see, quick install probably took me 10 minutes, if that. So check them out, man. Bwoody Performance. You also got leg maker. I went with Bwoody because I can get the colored tube, you know, the plum crazy. And leg maker is pretty much carbon fiber or black, I think. That's it. Bwoody, you could get orange, green, purple, a bunch of different colors, red. So check them out, guys. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.